Hi children, today we are going to learn median. Then third central measure of central tendency, median. First we learnt mean, second one mode, now median. What is median? Median is a measure of central tendency, one of the central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the data. In the given observations, middlemost observation gives the value of that median. Now number of observations are odd. Now middlemost means suppose if the number of observations odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation. Means number of observations plus 1 by 2. That observation we take as a median. Now suppose if the observations are even, then we have to take middle terms, two middle terms average we have to take as a median. Suppose odd numbers means middlemost one we have to take as a median. But when you will, when the observations are even number, we have to take middle terms, two middle terms average of that middle terms we have to get as a median. Now example, find the median of 56, 24, 32, 17, 72, 28. Here the observations are first, how many observations are there? 6. Now the number of observations are even number. Means 6 observations means that is even number. Then we have to take middle two terms and find the average. Then we will get the median. But first what we have to do? We have to take those observations we have to write in ascending order. Now first we have to write ascending order of observations. Now what is the smallest one? 17, 24, 30, 28, 32, 56, 72. These are the observations in ascending order. Then small to big. Then you can write in descending order also. Nothing will happen. Now, how many observations are there? 6. Then middle terms, what are those? 28 and 32. Now, median is equal to average of 28, 32 is equal to 28 plus 32 by 2. 60 by 2 is equal to 30. What is the middlemost value? 30. Then what is the median of that observations? 30. Now if the even observations, we have to take average of middle two terms. Now suppose one more example. Find median of 25, 35, 15, 5, 10. These are the observations. First we have to count how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then odd. Odd means middle term is median. Now first we have to write in ascending order. That is the main important. Ascending order is equal to 5, 10, 15, 25, 35. Then what is the middle term? 15. So median is equal to 15. This median is for ungrouped data. This is ungrouped data. Observations or some small quantity. Now here 7, here 5 observations, here 6 observations, then 20 we can take. But more larger quantity, how to take? That is called grouped data. We have to change that raw data to grouped data and we have to find the median for grouped data. What is the formula for the median for grouped data? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Then what is L? L is lower boundary of median class. N number of observations. F frequency of median class. CF cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. H is equal to class size. Now first we have to find out median class. How we will see the median class? Median class means first we have to find out n by 2. N by 2 which is near to that number we have to take in cumulative frequency column. That has become median class. That lower boundary we call as n. Then that frequency we call f. Then preceding class cumulative frequency CF. Then class size is equal to H. Now what is the formula for grouped data? L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now what is the formula for median? L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we will see one example. A survey regarding the heights of 51 girls of class 10th of a school was conducted and data obtained as shown in the table. Find the median. Find their median. Now see here, given 51 students height. Then you have to find out the median of their height. Now what is given in the table? Less than 144 girls, less than 145 11 girls, less than 150 29 girls, less than 155 40 girls, less than 160 46, less than 165 51. This is the table they given in the, but we required class interval and frequency. Now this is called cumulative frequency. Why? Because see, less than 140 centimeter 4 students. Less than 145 means this 140 also included in that. That is called cumulative. Now 4 plus some members will get 11. That means 145 height students are only 7 members. Now 4 plus 7, 11. That means here this is called cumulative frequency. This is not a frequency. Because here less than 144 students. Less than 145 centimeter height 11 students. Means up to 145 11 students. Then less than 150 29 means up to 150 means they including 140 centimeter students, 145 centimeter students and 150 centimeter students also coming under that. Then this is called cumulative frequency. First we have to change this frequency table to class interval frequency. Now how to write? Now solution. First we have to write class interval. Less than 140 means first class interval as it is we have to write below 140 centimeter. Next 140 and 145. Now what is the class interval? 140 to 145. Next class interval 145 to 150. 150 to 155. 155 to 160. 160 to 165. Now this is the class interval. Next, leave one box and write CF. CF means what? Given frequency as cumulative frequency they are given. Now 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. This is the cumulative frequency. Means up to 165 centimeter, 140 to 165 centimeter, total students are 51 students. Now, how to write frequency? Then below 144 students as it is, you have to write. Next, up to 145 centimeter, 11 students. Means here you have to subtract 11 minus 4, 7. Next, 145 centimeter to 150 means 29 minus 11, 18. 150 to 155, 40 minus 29, 11. 155 to 160, 46 minus 40, 6. 160 to 165, 51 minus 46, 5 students. Now, up to 140 centimeter, 4 students. 140 to 145, 7 students. 145 to 150, 18 students. 150 to 155, 11 students. 155 to 160, 6 students. 160 to 165, 5 students. Now, we got class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency. We need both the frequency and cumulative frequency. Now, what is the formula to find the median? Now, median is equal L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is the formula? L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. First we have to find out the L. L means lower boundary of median class. For that, first we have to find out what is the what is the median class. How to find out the median class? Now, number of observations is equal 51. Number of observations 51. Now, n by 2 means number of observations by 2, 25.5. We have to check 25.5 in the cumulative frequency column. Now, it is not there. Then near number what? 29. That class interval become median class. You have to check in cumulative frequency column near to n by 2. What is an n by 2 value? 25.5. Then we have to check in cumulative frequency it is there or not. It is not there. Then near number 29. Then that become median class. Which class? Median class. Now, median class lower boundary, what is that? 145. L is equal 145. Next, cumulative frequency CF. CF means what? Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Median class preceding class means before class CF is CF. Now, cumulative frequency is equal before median class before cumulative frequency means 11. Before what is that? 11. This is CF. Next, F. F is equal frequency of median class. What is the frequency of median class? 8. Next, H, class size. What is the size of the class? 160 to 165, 5. 145 to 155. H is equal to 5. Now, all the values we got. Now, substitute those values. Median is equal to L plus 145 plus n by 2, 25.5 minus 11 by 18 into 5. Now, how to solve? First, we have to solve the bracket one, then add that answer to 145. Now, 145 plus 14.5 into 5 by 18. Now, 145 plus 14.5 into 5. 72.5 by 18. 145 plus 18 fours are 72, 0, 3. Now, 149.03. Now, median height is equal to 149.03 centimeters. Now, what is the formula for median? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is L? Lower boundary of median class. First, we have to find out which is the median class. Median class always depends upon the n by 2 value. Now, what is the n by 2 value? 25.5. Then where it is, we have to check in cumulative frequency column. Now, it is not there. Then near number 29. Now, that is become a median class. Now, what is the median class now? 145 to 150. Then that frequency become F. That before class cumulative frequency becomes CF. CF is equal to 11. Class in what is the class size of 145 to 155? Now L 145, CF 11, F 18, H 5. Then if you substitute those values, you will get the median height. This is the median.